The Meghalaya State Olympics Association, in collaboration with the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs and the Meghalaya Athletics Association, has announced the 4th Sohra International Half Marathon scheduled for the 27th of September 2025. Recognized by World Athletics and the Athletics Federation of India, the event aims to promote fitness, sportsmanship and tourism in the state. At a press briefing, Director of Sports and Youth Affairs D.D. Shira, along with the Meghalaya State Olympic Association Chairman John F. Kharshiyeng and General Secretary Faini Paryat, shared details of the upcoming marathon. The organizers informed that registration is open both online and offline, and the last date for participants to register is the 10th of September 2025.
Conduct the 4th Sohra International Half Marathon 2025. And as you're aware, the event date has been decided on 27th of September 2025. The route is the same, and other technical issues Faini Paryat will explain. And I'd like to take this opportunity to once again request all the marathoners of the state to, my one humble request is that they all register before the time. The last date of entry is 10th September. In the last 2-3 marathons, we did face this problem that again, people come at the last minute, which causes a lot of problems because these in this marathon they use all this technology, and each athlete is given a chip, and all this chip is supported by AFI. And if they register at the last minute, there is no way that their timing, or they can they can run, but their timing will not be considered because they won't have a chip. You can't produce a chip overnight.
So regarding the prize money, just the category we have changed this time. Last time we put above 60 years. This time we have done away with the 60 years because of less participants. So this time we are doing only 21 elite open above 18, the 21 open only for Meghalaya above 18, 10K 18 to 40 years, 10K 40 to 55 years, 10K 55 years and above. All these are open category. So the prize money, I will be sharing with you the details. I need not to say. The total prize money is 50,50,000. We do have the gift for the under 14 run for fun for the first 200 runners, and also consolation prize for the above 50 who finish the 21K. Last time also we gave them some cash prize. This time also we're giving them. So everything online entry. We'll explain again what John, the online thing, that this time we request, especially from Meghalaya, they used to wait till the last moment because never a problem, no? Sometimes we wait till the last moment, we cannot get the thing. So we request all the participants to kindly do it. Since our entry fee is very cheap, indeed we are taking only 1,000. And also the 21K, 10K for all the race is just 200 rupees. And this time we added 50 rupees for the 10K. We added this 10K run is because of the run for fun, because most last year we had a big problem because of online entry, they free and they just enter like that, one name 5-6 times, and it made a big mess for us. And we have the hired bus, the bus has been hired, sometimes 15 buses are wasted. Because under fun we are not much of concern, we are more concerned of this competitive. So this time we are taking a minimum 50 rupees for all those who are participating. I request them that this year the timing of leaving Shillong will be 3 a.m. sharp, because other marathon starts at 4 a.m. So Delhi marathon you can't start at 2. Because last time you see the heat, lots of people have collapsed also because that day was very hot. Those who just come for fun, they come late, so it affects the. So this time the bus only stays at 3 a.m. So we start early from lights up here. And for the run for fun, just for the kindly reminder that for the people of Sohra, because school are joining us and other, there is no entry fee for the run for fun for the Sohra region. We to a nearby village and the school, they are giving separate entry. So for them, there is no need to pay any money, except those who are doing online, they have to pay the 50 rupees. So regarding this time, so we're giving free t-shirts, finisher medals, and that's about it. So I think you know the drill, we have been the same. So any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.